Yes, good day class, good day class. I got a quick video. I'm going to show you guys how to parent an object to another object in Blender 3D program. And parent means basically connect an object to another object. So here's an example. I got my Blender open up, I got my scene ready to go, and I push play, and this is what happened. It doesn't lift up the cup. That's because the objects are not parented together. What you're going to do, just to make sure everything is set in place, you're going to select your cup, Control A, rotation and scale. Make sure that's set. So now it knows this is the beginning. You're going to select your object, hold shift, click on a bone. Bones look like this. It should light up like that. Top left, object mode to pose. Let's press Z so we can see our bones. See this bone selected. You can select whatever bone you like. Control P, bone. Let's play. And there you go. And that's how you parent an object to another object in Blender, or connect an object to another object in Blender. I hope this video was useful. I hope you learned something. If you did, hit the like. And if you want to keep learning with the channel, hit the subscription button, keep the notification bells on. And until next time, keep learning and keep teaching. See ya.